Hello, good morning, children. So, today we are going to start lecture number 7 of chapter 5th. Just a second. By the way, how are you all? I hope you all fine and enjoy a lecture of all the subjects. See, come to the page number 50. In today's lecture, we start the types of partnership firm. But before that, we just revise the types of partner and limitations of partnership. Because this topic we did in last lecture. So now we just need to revise it and then we'll start the next topic. So limitations of partnership firm. Limited capital, a limited liability, possibility of disagreement, difficulty in maintaining secret, difficulty in share transfer, delay in decision making, and short lifespan. Then types of partner. Active partner, a person who takes a part in management in day-to-day work, then he is called active partner. Then dormant partner, who is called dormant partner. So a person who is become a partner by partnership deed, but he does not take active part in a daily routine work in the firm, then he is called dormant or sleeping partner. Then nominal partner, for quick growth of new establishing firm and to stay alive into tough competition. So if a wellness person allow his name to be used by the firm, then the person is called nominal partner. Then partner in profit only, then partner by estable or holding out, and minor partner. Very easy, that's why I don't need to again explain. Still, you just revise it. Active partner, sleeping partner, nominal partner, partner in profit only, partner by estoppel or holding out, and minor partner. Now types of partnership firm. In last lecture I told you कि make a chart of this topic. So I hope you all met. Okay. Now we understand in detail. So types of partnership firm. So there are three bases for the types according to time limit, according to liability, and according to registration. In according to time limit, there are three. Partnership at will, that means at any time partners want to dissolve the partnership firm, then they can dissolve. Then term partnership firm, that means any partnership firm start will for specific time, that is 2 years, 43 years, whichever not in partnership deed. So that is 2 or 3 years, 4 years, which decided by before, that time during complete, and then partnership firm is automatically dissolved. Then the third one is partners form for a specific work, like a partnership firm made for the construction of a building. So these one a special purpose. So after completion the construction work, partnership is dissolved automatically. Cleared? Okay. So now we study in detail. First, according to time basis. Now we just read from the textbook because I'll explain. Sorry, I have explained. Partnership at will. In this type of partnership firm, lifespan of a firm depends upon the wishes of the partner. As I know you. Sorry, as I told you. So there is no time limit. The firm exists till there is unity and agreement among the partners. If any one of the partner wishes to dissolve the firm, then according to law, by giving notice, he can bring the resolution of the firm. Then the term partnership firm. When in partnership deed, the time limit of partnership is mentioned. Then it is called term partnership. So after completion of time limit, the firm is dissolved automatically. Still, if all the partners agree, then time limit can be extended further. See students, underline. If all the partners agree, then the time limit, okay, then the time limit can be extended further. Then partnership firm for a specific work. So according to partnership deed, when a firm is established for the completing a specific job, then it is called a partnership firm for a specific work. So after completion of specified work, the firm is dissolved automatically. For example, partnership firm for the construction of bridge, road, canal, etc. So when will work of a construction, bridge, road, canal finished, and then partnership firm is dissolved automatically. Is it clear? Understood? Yes. Now, second basis according to liability. So there are two: partnership firm with limited liability and with unlimited liability. So, first one, limited liability. So this is a special type of partnership firm, excluding one partner of firm. All other partners' liability can be kept limited. See, in this type of partnership firm, all the partners have a limited liability, but only one partner have unlimited liability. That's why in this point told that the excluding one partner of the firm, all of the partners' liability can be kept limited. Then the partnership firm with the unlimited liability. In this type of partnership firm, the liabilities are unlimited for all the partner. That means for the making payment of the firm, all the partners must the sale of personal property and making a payment of the firm liability. So if debt of the firm increase more than the asset of the firm, then each partner has to pay the debt of the business even by selling personal properties. Then according to registration, registered partnership firm. Partnership firm which is registered with the registrar of the firm, then this type of firm is called a registered partnership firm. And the partnership firm is registered. Such a firm can approach a court of law for recovery of debt from third person. It is not a compulsory to register partnership firm, but it is advisable. Please underline. It is questions for the MCQ or 1 mark. Registration for a partnership firm is advisable or compulsory? So it is advisable, not a compulsory. Then unregistered partnership firm. When a partnership firm is not registered with the registrar of a firm, then it is called unregistered partnership firm. For such a firm, it is difficult to recover their debts through court of law because without the registration, they cannot approach the court of law for the recovery of debt from the third person or party. Okay, is it clear? Okay, good. Now just read it. You have just 2 minutes. Then we'll start the next topic. Okay, done. Okay. Now next topic. Registration of partnership firm. See, registration of partnership firm can be done according to Partnership Act 1932. It is not a compulsory, but there are certain disadvantages if registration is not done. Therefore, the registration of the firm is advisable. We all know because just we studied in last topic. So, to state on which the firm is situated, there is a register of the firm which is appointed officer by the state government for registration. Necessary information have to be filled in by all the partners and the form is to be submitted to the registrar by paying fees. So which type of details included in register form there are stated below. So first, name and address of the firm, then branches of firm, then name, address and telephone number of partner, then date of admission of each partner, the ratio of P&L of each partner, then detail related to capital of partner and duration of the firm. See, first one, name and address of the firm, noted in registration form, then how many branches of firm and also address of all the branches, then name of all the partners, address, numbers, mail IDs, etc. Then when will every partner admitted in firm, that is date of admission. So it should be not down in registration form. Then the profit and loss ratio of partners, then capital of partners, that means each partner how much amount bring for capital, then duration of firm. If partnership established for a term partnership firm, then the duration of the firm not down. And after complete above all the detail, register the firm and issue a certificate for registration. Okay, clear? See student, it is very easy. So nothing like any tough explanation or understood in this topic. So just read it. Just detail read. Name and address, branches of firm. Then for partners, name, address, telephone number, date of admission, ratio of P&L, then details regarding the capital and duration. Okay, done. Reading complete. Okay. Now some advantage of registration of firm given here. So let's see how many advantages of registration of firm. So there are 5. For recovery of firm dues, firm can file a claim in court of law. Partner of the firm can file in case in court of law against other person of the firm. First, for the recovery of firm dues from the third party, the firm can file a case against that person or party in court. Then second, partner of the firm can file a case in court of law against other person or firm. Little bit same like first one. Then a partner can demand justice from the court of law for his right and share. Then retiring partner giving notice to public can free himself from his liability. And the existence of the firm become public through registration. It is very big advantage of registration of firm. Because without registration, a partner or a partnership firm cannot do anything from this advantage. So registration of firm is advisable due to this type of reason. Okay, clear? So now the last topic is remain in this chapter. Then we'll done this chapter. So I hope you all understood perfectly these chapters, because this chapter is a little much big compared to other chapters. That's why 6 to 7 lectures made for this chapter. So in today's lecture we studied types of partnership firm, then registration of partnership firm, details included in registration form, then advantage of registration form. And the next topic will start in next lecture, that is partnership deed, and details included in, and also the difference between sole proprietorship and partnership firm. So now we done today's lecture, and please note down the homework. In homework, make a chart in your head point books if pending. Then write the types of partnership firm with detailed explanation in your fab book and head point in your head point book. But if you make a chart, then not need to head point separately. Then write necessary information included in registration form. One time in fair note, one time in head points book, and one time in rough book, because it is important questions for exam. Then advantage of registration of firm, one time in fair note and one time in rough book. Okay, clear about the homework? Okay, so see students, we have done today's lecture. I hope you all enjoyed and understood perfectly. So in next period we done this chapter and start a new chapter. So goodbye everyone.